You okay, man?
Why the fuck did she slam that baby down like that? Oh, this ain't gonna be a good one at all. Look at her fucking face. Attitude. Already. Yo, what's poppin', GE gang? It's your boy Fluke. We are back with another banger reaction video. Happy Sunday Fun Day. Happy Sunday Fun Day. I hope you're getting the most relaxation out of the Sunday. I hope you're getting the most spirituals out this Sunday. I hope you're getting the most mental, sleepery, you know what I'm saying, on this good Sunday. And I hope you went and, did your thing. If you went to church or if you stayed home, read your Bible, whatever. However you did it, your way, your rules. You feel me? It's Sunday, man. I'm on a 9.987. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling really good. We're having a lot of fun. I just dropped my first vlog. Crazy. I just dropped my first vlog on the Food Sugar Transformation page. It took me so long to get it up. I was up until 3 o'clock last night doing reaction videos. And I'm like, bro, I got to get this video edited and up. Because if I don't, I'm just going to keep putting it off. And it's going to end up being months and months and months. And plus, we want to be consistent. And it might inspire somebody else to start working out and eating healthy and whatever. You know what I'm saying? So I got the video up, got it done. I'm very happy I did. I pushed myself to do it because I didn't want to do it. I was just going to, put it off and just do the other two channels. So if you haven't tapped into the Food Sugar Transformation page, I will leave the link down in the first pinned comment below. Go tap into the Food Sugar Transformation as well as the World of Foods channel. And we're going to try to keep all three channels going to have content, you know what I'm saying, every day for people looking for the content, for people working the 16-hour shifts, the overnight nurses, the caregivers, the police officers, just the night stalkers at the grocery store, the warehouse workers, the truck drivers, you know what I'm saying? So I want to make sure I got content up on the channel for my people. So I just wish YouTube would send out the notifications so when I do post it, you get it as soon as it posts. Other than that, man, we're going to jump into a video. You know what I'm saying? Police teach trash talking mom a lesson she won't ever forget. All right, we got one of them moms that got to be taught a lesson. Yikes. Let's find out what's that about on Sunday. Before we get into that, though, we got to find out how the Sunday meeperies is meepering, okay? Sunday, please be high, please. I just told you mine was at 9.9876, okay? Tab down the comment section, 1 through 10. Let me know where your meeperies are. How you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and spiritually. Tap in the comment section. I want to see some great numbers. You know what I'm saying? Why not? Like I said, if you need a couple from me, I got some for you. You know what I'm saying? A couple of other people in the comment section, I'm sure they're sitting high. They're going to slide you a couple of them. We want everybody good on the Sunday like we send at a Funday feastery, eating that good foodery with the graperies. You know what I'm saying, man? Let's get the video to 1,000 views. We got a giveaway going down on the 21st of November. Make sure you tap in, tell a friend, tell a friend. Let's make this family go up. Do what we do.
A 2-year-old was found wandering in a Walmart parking lot and brought in by a concerned citizen. But things quickly spiraled into chaos when a woman suddenly grabbed the child and started walking away.
Whoa. What? Ma'am.
It's that Walmart shenanigans, Walmart only. And she acting like she don't even hear them. That's because she knows she in the wrong. She f***ed up and she know it.
You okay, man?
Hold on, baby. Okay. Hold the fucking front door, okay? Well, hold the front door. I learned that a couple years ago. Hold the fucking front door. Y'all see what she did to that baby? First of all, it looks like the baby was wandering away from the fucking mom, and she just, you know what I'm saying? She just went and snatched the baby up and yanked the baby down in the cart. We gotta see that shit again. That's in, bro. I already want to put hands on you, lady. I don't even fucking know you. Hold on, watch this.
You okay, man?
Why the fuck did she slam that baby down like that? Oh, this ain't gonna be a good one at all. Look at her fucking face. Attitude. Already.
Everything's fine.
Okay.
What you still calling me for?
Well, because we got a call of a juvenile that's, walking around the lot.
Because we're paying for food, so we have a lot going on. You can see that, right?
Okay.
Thank you. We're good.
Ma'am, can I get your information, please? We just gotta document this. That yeah, sorry.
You better get out of here. First of all, it's not even my kid, so you need to mind your business. He walked away. We're paying for food. You need to mind your business. You don't need to make a scene. You don't need to do nothing. You need to walk away.
Listen, we're not
I got my
trying to make a
kid.
scene.
You need to walk away now.
Listen, but
that's
the
it.
fact, listen.
There's no fact about it. The fact is you need to walk away.
Yeah, but
there's nothing else about it. There's nothing else about it.
Somebody called the
Absolutely
cops.
nothing. Because the kid was standing up there, right? Okay then, we didn't call him, so we
Right.
didn't need you.
But
I didn't
we
ask for you, so you can go ahead now.
Right,
I'm
but
not going to cooperate because I don't have a right to. I don't need to. Go ahead.
Right.
Okay. Okay.
So I called because I didn't know.
Okay, so you called him. So talk to him. He called. You not know who called. No, I'm not the parent. So that's what you need to mind your business.
But
go ahead.
Whoa,
All right,
whoa,
okay.
whoa.
Put him aside, so
Boy. So she's not the parent? That makes it even worse. The fact that you are yelling at somebody that went and found this 2-year-old kid wandering in the parking lot is very concerning. The fact that there's other kids around and they're not even looking like this, they looking like this is normal. They not even like crying or nothing. The way you slam that child down in the cart is alarming. The way that you're talking to these people that are trying to genuinely help you out and genuinely concerned about your son or whoever it is to you. That 2-year-old boy could have been in somebody's car on the way to somebody's house getting all type of abusery, and that would have been the end of it.
go to bed. Don't get smacked. Get the f out of my face, bro.
Ma'am, listen.
I didn't ask. I said it's not my kid, so
Listen,
therefore I don't care. We're done
that.
talking.
I get that.
We're
It's
done.
not your kid.
We're finished.
But
We're
you're
finished.
in charge of the kid,
We're
right?
finished. No, I'm not. We're finished. No, I'm not. We're finished.
So who
We're
was
done.
supposed to
We're
be
done.
in charge of the kid?
We're done.
Who was
We're
supposed to be
done.
in charge
I don't
of the
know. It
kid?
doesn't matter. We're done. What am I done.
So she was supposed to be in charge of that kid.
I'm not in charge of any kid because none of these kids are mine. Therefore, the kid walked away, right? Because of paying for stuff. We have 3 children. Don't you see that? There's 2 of us. You see that, right? We got stuff going on. No,
Listen,
he's being a whoever called the cops being a so now I'm gonna be a too. I actually walked away.
I'm not trying to be a
Yes, you are.
Okay.
Man, just talk to me then.
There's nothing to talk about. I already told you.
So this is the kid?
The kid is in the gray hat, but I'm gonna speak to the guy that found the kid. Okay. Sir.
What's up, buddy?
Listen, man, I appreciate your help. You did.
We definitely need that stern police officer in this situation. The way that she's talking to this police officer, and the way that he's not coming back. I don't know if he's a father or not. Family man, got a wife, whatever. The way that you're not telling her to, you know what I'm saying? Like, we need that father figure police officer, that stern motherfucker to put her in her place, because this shit she should be in cufferees, just how she's acting. You know what I'm saying? Nonchalant, non-concerned. This ain't my child. We got 2 people. We got 2 grown adults. We got all these kids. We shouldn't have brought the fucking kids to the store then. How about that? If you couldn't watch them, you tell me 2 grown adults, y'all got too much shit going on. You never watch. You didn't realize one of the kids walked off. You look crazy. You feel me? Like, no parent in this world is gonna be like make an excuse to where we got a lot of stuff going on. It's not my fault they walked off. Like,
Absolutely the right thing.
Listen,
So.
I wasn't gonna let the kid stand out there.
Absolutely, because God forbid the kid gets hit by a car. Do you have your license on you? I'm gonna take your information. Like I said, I'm trying to get her information and document this, but you see how she is.
So is the parent to that kid here?
No. Why? What happened?
Well, somebody called saying he was
Yes,
walking
he
by
walked
himself.
away. That's him. He walked away. Kids.
that's him?
We didn't see him. So therefore, we didn't see him. We didn't know he walked away. We went to go find him. Though.
That's fine.
Nobody told us that the kid was out there. We went to go find him. We found him.
I'm not saying you're in trouble.
All right, so
Relax.
then tell him to go to can't tell him I'm not cooperating. Go ahead. You're not getting my name. You're not getting. Go
I
ahead.
understand, but listen, we got called here, so we have to do our due diligence.
Okay, so
that's
do what
all.
you gotta do. You see that we got the kid back.
We
so
just
go
have to
ahead.
confirm who we're turning the kid over to.
Us,
That's all.
me and him, me and her. That's it. Me
I
and
know,
her. That's it.
But I
That's
don't
it.
know
It's me
who
and
you
her.
guys are in relation to the child. That's all.
They're with us, right? They're with us. He came to me, right?
Well,
That's it.
I don't
That's
know
it.
that,
No.
though,
That,
because-
we don't know you.
Yeah, but you see, I'm a police officer, right?
Okay, that don't mean what the f that mean? That
So
mean you here
listen
for me?
to
No.
If it's not your kids, you're still responsible for him. You brought him out the house, right?
Right,
Thank
exactly. And I'm trying to explain that to her
20 degrees outside.
calmly, and you see how she is reacting. So you just found the kid just wandering down the.
I was
road?
walking in the store, I just parked, and I see a
Right.
kid in the street. I looked around, there's no parent, no nothing. And
Okay.
I called him, and then I called the desk.
I appreciate it. What's the phone number for you, sir?
you weren't here when the caller called and had the child by themselves,
Okay,
right?
okay. And
So
when I
now-
seen the kid, I went to go get him.
I understand,
so
but
therefore, that's it.
if this lady
Then the
walked up and
conversation's
said
over.
that's my kid, we can't just trust that. We have
okay,
to
well,
verify.
how you gonna find that out? How you gonna find out if it's my kid?
Well, that
How
I'm
you gonna know
asking
that?
you because I'm asking
Yes,
do you
I
have
said
pictures
yes,
of the
so that's
child
it.
on your phone to
We got
prove?
pictures of the kid. We got pictures of the kid. Why wouldn't we have pictures of the kid? Why wouldn't we? Let me see.
Well, if it's your child, you probably have pictures on your phone, right?
Why would that matter now?
Because
Why
it's,
would that matter? You
it's
see,
just so
look.
it's just
look.
so we can
Just look. There you
confirm.
go. See, look. That's them.
Okay, what's the
All three
child's
of them.
name? Okay, I just
You
have
need
to write
see
it down.
No,
That's
you
all.
don't. Get out of here.
So
Okay,
it's not your.
Man, I'm trying to work with you, but I
You're
can't
not.
let you
You
leave
need to
with the
move.
child unless I confirm who he belongs to. That's all. I'm trying to make this very easy for you. I'm not trying to get you in trouble. I'm not trying to do
All right, so
anything.
hurry up, because now y'all dragging it. Y'all dragging it.
That's
Y'all
fine.
dragging shit.
That's fine.
He's
So
in the
what is
He'd
the
be
child's
crying if
name?
it wasn't him.
What is the child's name?
She could care less about the 2-year-old's well-being or the fact that she's berating the people who found the child and ensured his safety.
So shut up. Get out my face.
I'm not getting out of your first of all.
Y'all ain't gonna shut the head and get the out my face.
And what's the last name? Ma'am, what's the last name? Ma'am, what is the last name?
What's your name? What's your name? Tell me your name. What's your name? What's your
Ma'am,
name?
stop scaring the child. I'm
No,
talking
shut
to
up.
you.
Talk to me.
This is not going to work out in your favor if you don't just
Arrest,
cooperate.
please. I've never wanted somebody. I've
Nobody
never
said anything-
wanted somebody to get arrested so fast and so bad in my life. Somebody needs to put pause on this girl, big time. Somebody needs to put pause on this fucking girl. Ooh wee. These type of videos I don't like. These ones to get me fucking heated and be. I'm tight crash out over shit like this. Like honestly, man, this motherfucker got me hot. I ain't gonna lie.
About putting
No,
handcuffs
no,
on
you
anybody.
don't have nothing to talk about.
Stop yelling. You're
Stop
causing a
talking
scene
to
in
me.
Walmart.
Stop talking to me.
Ma'am, what is your
Stop shit.
relationship to the child? Okay, the child is not leaving here with you guys unless we confirm who the child belongs
So
to.
what you gonna do? Because we can call somebody else then. What you gonna do? Because what the mean?
We're going to find who the child
She's the
belongs to.
mother of the child.
Then why are you
Obviously, if we're here.
Stop cursing.
No,
Because you
I
will get
don't give a.
arrested.
I don't give a.
That's not your child, then get the hell out of here.
No, I drove him here. What the?
You're
Don't
going to
tell
get
me
arrested.
what to
You're
do.
going to get arrested. You don't leave. You're causing a
I
scene.
have
Your
to pay for
children.
my. Don't touch me. I have to pay for my.
Don't touch me.
I didn't touch you. Back the up.
Don't spit
Get
on
out of
me
my
and stop
face.
cursing.
So get out of my face.
Keep this up. You
You keep it up. You keep it up.
That's
You-
your
you
last
keep
one.
it up.
Man,
You keep it up.
listen, we're calm. We're
I
trying
don't
to talk
care.
to
I'm
you.
not calm now. I'm not calm.
You need to be calm.
No, I don't. Get the fuck out of my face.
Arrest her, man.
Get
Damn.
arrested.
Bro, arrest me.
We're not going to sit
Arrest
here and
me.
deal with this.
I swear to God, arrest me. Arrest me. I swear to God. I swear to God, go arrest me. What you got? What reason? What reason?
walking your stuff
What
out.
reason?
Is it paid for?
What reason? No, it's not
Start
paid for.
leaving.
Don't- It's
Start
not.
leaving.
Get out of here.
What's the last time you did?
Excuse me. Get the
What do you think you're doing? You're
Oh my God.
You got it? Just grab stuff.
The fact that this dumb the fact that this motherfucker right there is the mom and ain't said a fucking word about her own child and whoever this lady is. That's the mother right there. She said she's the mom. She ain't said not one word. He asked her a question. She act like she's a fucking mime. Can't talk. Both of them gotta go.
You want to do this. You did this
Okay,
to
so
yourself.
what? Okay.
You
So
did
what?
this
You
to
want to call my
yourself.
lawyer?
Relax,
and have a
relax.
watch me.
Shut up, fucking lawyer, goofy.
I'm not telling you are.
It didn't have to
You don't have
happen.
a
You did this to
you
yourself.
have a reason. You don't have a reason to do this. All right, so what?
Relax.
I'm gonna. You want to? Or you want me to take her?
Get
Go ahead.
off of me.
I'm trying to get the name.
Get off of me,
Yeah, that's the mother there. Hold on. Hold on.
bro.
Get off of you. Yeah, all right.
Why are you grabbing me? I'm not doing to you.
Wait.
I'm not doing to you. Don't touch me. Get off of me, bro. Now I'm gonna stand here because you told me to stand here.
Keep moving.
Oh, okay.
You want damage in? This is gonna be criminal mischief.
We have one under.
What? To who? To who? Because now you throwing charges for no reason. Okay. Okay, go ahead. Do your thing. Do your thing. I swear to God, my soul. What's your badge number, bro? What's your badge number? Why are you doing that to my arm? Why are you doing that
Because
to my
you're
arm?
pulling away.
No, the I'm not. Why are you doing that to my arm? And I'm walking right next to you. If you break my arm with my soul, I swear to God.
Miss Hothead quickly found out who was really in charge, and after kicking out the loudmouth, the officers could calmly get done with their due diligence.
You're the mom?
Yes, I had.
How old are you?
I'm 24.
Okay, and that's your child.
Yes, it is, but
Okay.
I had my daughter in the bathroom. I was taking my daughter to the bathroom, and she was.
Okay.
Yeah. So
You're calm. I'm gonna speak to you. Okay. Like I said, you guys are not in any trouble. She caused all this. If she didn't get so excited and loud, she would not be in handcuffs right now. Okay. Do you have your license with you?
Keep running your mouth.
Yo, what the fuck am I keep running my mouth? I got a right. I can talk. Fuck you mean? Now, swear to God, on my soul.
It's this behavior
on my
while
soul.
you're getting
No, I don't care. God, no reason. No reason.
So you guys were here paying, and he just walked off.
No, when I came, when she said she had to use the bathroom, she was in the car.
And she was watching him. Okay.
No, they're all here. He wanted her.
Okay. Yeah. There's a lot of kids. I get it. Happens all the time. So here's your license back. What's the phone number for you?
You have any weapons on you?
No, you say weapons. You think.
Okay, I'm searching with the back of my hand, okay?
You do all this. I got kids to take home.
Spitting on me.
But I can talk.
Okay, but you don't have
I don't care. My mouth is wet. What the f***? You gonna dry it out for me? You gonna air dry it? Are you?
Just stop spitting.
No! You arrested me for you done. It's cool though. I swear to God, I'm on phone. Y'all done.
Face that way, please.
Shut up. Don't put your hand on my neck.
Okay, stop
Get off my
spitting
neck.
on me. I said
Get off my neck.
Nobody's touching your
You're
neck.
touching my neck. I can't breathe.
All right, you're
I can't breathe.
for ag assault.
I
for
can't
spitting on
breathe.
me. I'm not even touching your
I'm
neck.
not even spitting on you. I'm talking. I can't breathe.
Ugh.
Yeah, it's ag assault because you're spitting on me.
I can't breathe.
On purpose.
No, I'm not. I'm talking. I can't talk. I can't talk.
You gonna talk or you can't fucking breathe? Which one is it? You clearly can fucking breathe. Nobody's even fucking touching you. Where's the dad? Where's the fucking dad's at? Whose daughter is this? Whose niece is this? I'm confused. Like, she got to go and get some psychological help. She needs to go to fucking therapy ASAP. Jail and therapy in jail, not outside.
I can't talk. I can't talk.
Disorderly conduct and ag
Okay,
assault.
so charge me. Hurry up. I don't care. I'm not the mother of the child. I'm not the mother of the child. It doesn't matter. You didn't have no right to talk to me. None.
So
You went and grabbed the child, though, goofy ass.
No, I was talking. I was having a conversation. First of all, I was never spitting on you. I don't ever read the spit on you. I have a reason to do that. And so I have to go drop him off.
He's getting the rest of the info from the mother. This woman is not the mother of the child.
How long is it going to take? I have to drop them back off. I brought them here in my car. My keys and everything is in that place.
Okay, just stop talking right now.
Sir, I brought them here. I have to take them back home. They came here in my car. My phone and my...
Who are you talking about?
My friend and my family. Who do you mean that's my family?
Okay, what is
Your
your
friend or
question
your
about
family?
your family? I can't.
When am I coming back so I can take them back home?
You're not.
My car is in this parking lot.
You're
She's gonna have
not.
to make other arrangements.
So how am I going to get back to my car?
What's that?
How am I going to get back to my car?
How are you gonna get back to the
Yes.
Figure that out when you get released.
When do I get released? Why are you even arresting me? You don't have a reason to
I
arrest
told
me.
you because of disorderly
But
conduct.
I didn't do nothing to you.
Ag assault on a police officer.
And
And-
had nothing to do with me.
Okay.
Why you should understand my frustration? I'm in there with 3 kids and a mom. She's in there.
You had your opportunity.
Bro, but I tried to tell you I don't have nothing to do with that.
You didn't. You were screaming and
I said I don't have nothing to do with that. I'm not the mom. I said those are not my kids. So now I'm going to jail. I have to sleep there too? I don't even have any other charges, so what am I going to jail for?
I just explained it to you.
Okay, so I have to go county.
I don't know yet.
No, I don't. I don't have any charges.
Okay, if you say so.
The female was charged with assault on police and disorderly conduct. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch now.
On my soul. That's all she kept saying. On my soul. On my soul. On my soul. This video irked my motherfucking nerves. Irked my nerves. Got on my last motherfucking nerves. Like, on my soul. On my soul.